Good morning, children. Today we study the 7th chapter of history, tribes, nomads and settled communities. As you know, the tribal peoples are nomads. They moved from one place to another. And members of each tribe were united by kingship bonds. Many tribes obtained their income through agriculture, and some others were hunter-gatherers. As you know, in India, there were different types of tribal people. In Punjab, Himachal Pradesh and many other parts, we can see different types of tribal people. And these tribal people are divided into different clans. And each clan had a great emperor or leader. Example, the Nagas, Ahams and many other tribal people were called as clans. And we can see many tribal people in Maharashtra and Karnataka. Then we can see the nomadic pastoralists. Some tribal people were pastoral nomads. They moved from one place to another in search of pastures. Example, in Rajasthan we can see the Banjaras. Banjaras are the tribal people. They rear animals, different types of animals. They moved from one place to another. On their way, they also transported goods between different people. We can see two important tribal people in India. First one is Aham. Ahams were the most famous shifting cultivators in India. And in the book of Akbarnama, a history of Akbar's reign, mentioned the gaunt kingdom of Garha Katanga that had 70,000 villages. That means during the Gaunt's time, each tribe had more than 70,000 of tribal peoples or villages. Each tribe was divided into Grags. Then Grags was divided into Chaurasi. That means a Chaurasi means village. Chaurasi had 12 villages. In a Chaurasi there will be 12 villages. And one of the famous leader of Gaunt's kingdom was Rani Durgavati. As you know, since she was a woman, she ruled in the name of his son, 5-year-old son. And during her reign, the kingdom reached in the top. Under her, the kingdom became even more extensive. In 1565, the Mughal forces under Asaf Khan attacked Garha Katanga, and this tribal people came to an end. The Garha Katanga was a famous state. It earned much wealth by trapping and exporting wild elephants to other kingdoms. So the Gaunts we studied. Now we study about the Ahams. As you know, Ahams are the other important tribal people in India. They also the shifting cultivators. They earned income through nomadic pastoralism and trade. The Ahams destroyed, the kingdom of Aham was destroyed in different ways. Some people say that Ahams faced many invasions from southwest. In 1662, the Mughals under the Mir Jumla attacked the Aham kingdom. Despite their brave defense, the Ahams were defeated. Then we understand that Aham society was divided into clans or khels. There were very few castes of artisans. So, artisans in the Ahams areas came from the adjoining kingdoms. Originally, the Ahams also worshipped different tribal gods. And they also gave more importance to Brahmanas. Okay. So we conclude that in India there were different types of tribal people. Their main occupation was shifting cultivation or agriculture, and pastoralism. And some of these tribal peoples also started trade within the different types of tribes, but due to some problems they came to an end. Their tribal people's life rule was came to an end. Thank you.